We just checked into the Encore, room 1815. Let's take a look around. Let's start with the bathroom. Since we're right here, let's take a look in. Beautiful glass shower, just like the Wynn, you know, same setup as the Wynn. It's just absolutely stunning and massive. Here's your big soaking tub. Look, you even have a scale here if you're so interested. I'm gonna take a look here. It's your, again, massive mirrors, makeup mirror, glassware, toiletries. Here you even get shoe polish, cotton swabs, necessities. There's your lotion. Here is a remote for this TV right here. You can enjoy while you're getting ready or soaking in the tub. Cannot miss this. Little bench here to sit on while you do your makeup or shave, whatever you want to do there. Over here, a couple of robes, standard. Super nice touch. I love that. Separate area for the bathroom. You also have some controls on the wall. So if maybe you want to turn this off and just have the night lights on, you can do that. Let's see. There they are. Beautiful, beautiful night lights. Look at the size of this mirror. 2 people can stand here. Take a look at your outfit for the day or the night. Massive closet with 3 very big drawers and your safe. Plenty of hangers. All of the closet essentials here. Up here we have, I believe there's 1 pillow and a blanket in there. If you have 2 people or more that cannot agree on temperature, that extra blanket can be a really nice touch. Coming in here to the bedroom area, we got a king, and it's huge. You can see how gorgeous this is. This is one of my favorite things. This is your touchpad. You can do a ton of things on here. So you have in-room dining, privacy, newspaper, alarm. This week at Wynn, over here, you can control your television. You can view your folio, anything you like. I mean, information, local information, cool little touches like this, Wynn stories, things like that. Here you have a pull-out. Both sides have this. Wait a minute. So you have your little drawer here, and then this pull-out. Well, that one doesn't seem to be working. Let's try this side. Yeah, there we go. I think the other one's a little bit stuck. So, little pull-out table for food, beverage, computer, whatever you like. Here are your charging options by the bed, 2 USBs, 2 regular plugs. Both sides of the bed have those. Your television, which swivels. So before we step into the living room area, we're going to give that a swivel. In case that's where you want to watch television. Over here we have our glassware, beautiful ice bucket, things we don't touch. You have some storage here, I don't know, extra storage, whatever you like. And then here is things we don't touch, part 2. Coming into the living space, there's just little seating here, your Alexa, which is wonderful. You can do anything you want with her. You can play music, turn the television on and off, the volume up and down, control the temperature, the lighting, the drapes, Bluetooth, anything. You can do it all from there. Beautiful desk area here. Got some plugs down here. and plugs right behind Alexa over there. More door space. And I really like that touch if you have more than one computer, or I don't know, maybe you don't want to put your drink up on the table while you're doing work. I like that extra section there. Pan around this beautiful room. It's so spacious and cozy, and look at the seating area. How about the mirrors? You know, it gives you the feel of so much extra space in this room, and it's already big as it is. We requested a mountain view. Really important thing to note at Encore, if you don't request a mountain view or it doesn't come up, the other view is a pool view. When you get the pool view, with that comes the Encore nightclub, day club, all the noise. I've even heard people that said they stayed on the very top floor and they could still hear it from there. I don't want that. So we purposely requested the mountain view. And mountains are beautiful. Who doesn't want to look at that? Here, you can control your temperature yourself if you don't want Alexa to do it for you. No, she heard me. And some more mirrors here in the bedroom to give you that feeling of extra space. This is a gorgeous room. I love it. The only difference between this and Wynn is the separation of the rooms. I did not mention you have a ton of door space here as well. The middle doesn't open, but you have two on the side. So there we are. Here's your room tour.